Good morning class. Welcome back to grade 5 maths. How are you all doing today? So let's learn how we can multiply a fraction by a mixed fraction today. Let's see that with an example. Multiply 3 1 by 3 into 4 by 5. So here we have a mixed fraction multiplied by a proper fraction. So let's see what are the steps involved. The first step is to convert the given mixed fraction to the corresponding improper fraction. Then you have to cancel out the common factors. So let's see how we can convert the given mixed fraction. So the steps to convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction are: just multiply the denominator with the whole number part, add that product to the numerator and put it over the same denominator. So here it is 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Now we have obtained the corresponding improper fraction, which is equal to 10 by 3. Now let's go back to the question. 3 1 by 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 10 by 3 into 4 by 5. Now we have to cancel out the numbers which have common factors. See this number 10 and 5, both these are multiples of 5. So we can divide this numerator and this denominator with the number 5. So what is 10 divided by 5? It is 2. What is 5 divided by 5? It is 1. So our numbers would be changed to 10 by 3 into 4 by 5. After cancelling out the common factors, it becomes 2 into 4, this 2 into 4 by 3 into this 1. So we have 2 into 4 by 3 into 1. So that is equal to 2 into 4, 8 by 3 into 1, 3. So right now we have got a fraction. Our next step is to simplify the fraction obtained so that we can change it to a mixed fraction. How do we change that to the mixed fraction? We have to do the long division method. So we have 8 by 3 here and we are dividing this 8 by 3. See? And how many 3's will go in 8? 2 3's will go in 8, right? So 2 3's are 6. Now 8 minus 6, you get a remainder 2. And our formula for converting to a mixed fraction is you have to write the quotient as the whole number and quotient into the remainder by the divisor. So that would be, the quotient is how much? 2 here and the remainder here is 2 and the divisor here is 3. So this is the equivalent or the product of the given mixed fraction into the other fraction, the product of the question. So our final answer is 2 into 2 by 3. We will see one more question. Multiply 5 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 1 by 11. So you have two mixed fractions here, see, and we have a proper fraction. Now let's follow the steps. The first step is to convert the given mixed fractions to improper fraction. So how do you convert this one? 5 1 by 2. 2 into 5 10 plus 1, it is 11 by 2, and here you have 2 by 3 into 11 into 2, 22 plus 1, it is 23. So it is 23 by 11. So we have converted the mixed fraction to the corresponding improper fractions. Now what is the next step? You have to cancel out the possible common factors. So you have 11 here and 11 here. You can cancel out the 11s here. And you have 2 here and 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 11 by 11 is 1. 11 by 11 is 1. So you have cancelled the possible numbers or the possible common factors. So right now here you have this 1, which is 11 by 1, into this 1, which is 2 by 2 equal to 1, into this 23 divided by this 1 into this 3 into, and here you have 1. So it would be 1 into 1 into 23 by 1 into 3 into 1. That is equal to 1 into 1, 1 into 23 is 23, 1 into 3, 3 into 1, 3. So you have 23 by 3. What is the next step? You have to change that to a mixed fraction form. So for that, you just divide the numerator by the denominator. That is 23 by 3. How many 3's will go in 23? 3 7's are 21, right? So let's write 7 over here, and 7 into 3 is 21. Let's subtract, and that gives us a remainder 2. How do you write that in mixed fraction form? the quotient into remainder by divisor. So that gives us, what is the quotient here? The quotient here is 7, the remainder is 2 by the divisor is 3. So the final product is 7, 2 by 3. Hence 5 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 into 1 by 11 is equal to 7 2 by 3. Clear? Now we'll see a word problem from your textbook. Seher goes for jogging every day. If she can jog a stretch of 10 1 by 5 meter in 1 minute, then how much distance will she cover in 25 minutes? So what is given in the question? Seher can jog for how long? What is the distance she covers in 1 minute? She covers how much? 10 1 by 5 meters in 1 minute when she goes for jogging. And you are asked to find out how much distance will she cover in 25 minutes. So what you have to do? If this is the distance she travels in 1 minute, how much is the distance she travels in 25 minutes? That would be the distance traveled in 1 minute into the total minutes or the total time, which is equal to 25 minutes. So let's write the proper steps from the data given in the question. So we have the distance Seher covers in 1 minute. What is it? It is 10 1 by 5 meter. And distance she covers in 25 minutes would be equal to 25 into the distance Seher covers in 1 minute. Children, it's very important that you write the steps from the data, from what all data given in the question. So you write the proper steps and then you come to the final calculation. And make sure you are substituting the numbers correctly. So that would be equal to 25 into 10 1 by 5, which is the distance she covers in 1 minute. Now we have a whole number here and we have a mixed fraction here. So what do? The first step is to convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction form. So this would be equal to 25 into, what is the improper fraction corresponding to this one? It's 5 into 10, 50 plus 1, 51 by 5. So since this is a whole number, let's consider this has a denominator 1. Now, do you see some common factors for these numbers? Look at this 25 and this 5. Both are multiples of 5, right? So let's divide 25 and 5 by 5. So what is 25 by 5? It is 5. Now 5 divided by 5 is 1. So right now we have cancelled out the common factors. Any more common factors? No, right? So here it becomes 5 into 51 by 1 into 1. See? Now 5 into 51 by 1 into 1. So what is 5 into 51? You can calculate that in your working column. And in your notebook, you can see two margins, right? One on the extreme left and one on the extreme right. The one on the left is narrow and the one on the right is a broader margin. That broader margin is the working column where you are supposed to do all the calculations. Make sure you are doing the calculations in your working column. Now, let's do the calculation in the working column here. That's 51 into 5. So, we have written the numbers in proper places or proper columns. The ones come in the same column. So, make sure you're writing the numbers in proper way. So, 5 into 1 is 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. So, what is the product here? The product is 255, which is 5 into 51 by 1 into 1 is 1. Any number divided by 1 is that number itself. So, that is equal to 255 meter. So, that is the distance Seher covers in 25 minutes. I hope you are clear with this topic, but you have to go through the same topic in page number 68 of your textbook. 68 and 69. Multiplying a fraction by a mixed fraction. Then please move on to exercise 4.5 and you have to complete the questions 1E, 1M, 1N, 1O and you have to do questions 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D and 2E. Then also the question numbers which are word problems, questions 8, 9 and 10. Once you are finished with that, you have to move on to the heading called HOTS. It's right below that exercise. and please go through that question as well and do accordingly. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.